I'm here in New York City, and Amazon has launched a whole range of products across Echo, Blink, Ring, Kindle, and more. I'm Val Quinn from GadgetGuy. Let's go check out the latest. So Ring's cameras are getting a serious upgrade. So starting with the 2K model, so this is a wired outdoor doorbell camera. But with 2K resolution, that just gives you extra detail to be able to zoom in, see more things, but also the lens is enhanced as well. So now it's able to see more of your body, and that's good because say you want to identify sort of the clothing on somebody, maybe it's a courier's badge you want to see, that really just gives you sort of an extra bit of information to make sure you know who's at your door. Okay, so I'm the most excited about this one here. So this is the Ring Doorbell Pro. First off, it is a 4K camera, and that is absolutely tons of resolution and detail for you. But there's a lot of other capabilities too. Another one is that this one gets sort of a true color night vision, so you can just see more colors and identify more things in the dark. But in addition to that, both the 2K and the 4K cameras get something new called retinal vision. Okay, so what this is instead of just relying on a camera's resolution, there's actually tuning going on before the camera gets to your door, and then after it gets to your door, it learns about the environment that it's actually capturing in or shooting in. And what that does is it actually fine-tunes the vision so it can see better detail at dark. Everything is just pixel clear. So this new retinal vision technology is a first for these doorbell cameras, and it should just really enhance what you see. Also exclusive to the Doorbell Pro, this now works with Alexa Plus and its ability to be more like a doorbell assistant. So that uses AI to do things like ask who's at the door, maybe give instructions to a courier or something like that. And that's a really advanced tech. I'm quite excited about where this can go because it will get better over time and even recognize the people at your door as well. So for keeping an eye on the indoors of your house, we have Ring's new Indoor Cam Plus. Now this is a 2K camera. It's nice and compact. This one's a wired one too. I love this. It's got like a privacy cover as well. Now 2K resolution, but it also has the new retinal vision, which basically means that you get a nice enhanced up to 4x zoom, great for pinching and zooming, and really easy to place anywhere in your house. A great option for outside your house. This is Ring's new Outdoor Cam Pro. Now this actually is a 4K camera. It's wired, but it's actually power over Ethernet. That means that you just have one Ethernet cable and that runs the power to it as well. Great for not having to mess with multiple cables. Also, this uses the new retinal vision technology. Now this gives you the ability to zoom up to 10 times, great clarity, great night vision as well. Look, and I think just a good all-arounder for your house. This is Ring's new Spotlight Cam Pro. So this is a 4K camera. It's wired, but it has a spotlight which is 600 lumens, which is pretty bright. Plus it uses the new retinal vision technology, which gives you the ability to zoom up to 10 times. So you're getting great 4K clarity, plus a nice 10 times zoom as well. So for really brightening up the spaces outside your house at nighttime, Ring's got the new Floodlight Cam Pro. So this has dual floodlights as well as a 4K camera. You can kind of position them individually. They do 6,000 lumens, which is really bright, which really casts a lot of light. Plus you got a 4K camera with the new retinal vision technology, which allows you 10 times zoom, super sharp, pixel clear. I think this is just a great option for allowing you to see at nighttime. Plus it's got great color night vision too. Okay, so we got two new Echo Dot speakers, starting with the little one. So this is the Echo Dot Max. Now, this is actually 3 times louder than the one before. So they've really crammed in a lot of sound technology inside here. Also, it's got this new 3D mesh sort of woven fabric on the outside. It's completely seamless. It feels really nice. Different color choices as well. In addition, we've got a slightly different sort of outer display here. So this is called the Alexa Ring, and it will light up in different areas just to kind of give Alexa a little bit of a personality. Now, on the other side, we have the Echo Studio. Now, this is about 40% smaller than the one before that. I don't know if you remember that was actually pretty big, but this is really about sort of an enhanced sort of audiophile experience. This is, it supports spatial audio as well as Dolby Atmos, and now it will connect to up to 5 other speakers, really creating that surround sound experience. So you put this sort of underneath your TV and a bunch around it, and you really do have a great movie watching set of speakers here. This also gets the Alexa Ring 2, and it has that really nice 3D mesh sort of outer woven fabric. Okay, so we've got some new and enhanced sort of smart screen smart speakers. So we've got the Echo Show 8 and Echo Show 11. So the 8 8s on this side, 11s here. They've got some new technology to make them easier to see, first off. So in terms of the viewing angle, now you can really see them on sort of wide angles like I'm here right now. Just makes it easier to access that information. Next, there are smaller bezels around each one of them. So you've got an HD screen here as well as a full HD screen here. There are now 13 megapixel cameras, meaning that you can just sort of use that 13 megapixel camera to show yourself, do a bit of video conferencing. Now in terms of audio, they've had some enhancements here too. So we've got front-facing stereo speakers, but these are just underneath the screen really to help the sound project outwards, just to make it sound just that little bit better. There's also a full-size woofer that's behind here as well, just strategically placed just to fill up that room with some more low-end sound. Right, new advancements to the Blink camera range. So Blink cameras are known for their sort of compact design, very price accessible, and also really long battery life. So what we have here is, this is the outdoor 2K, so this gets an enhancement to 2K resolution. Plus with this design, it's got its sort of motion sensors right here. It's able to detect a little further away than the other Blink models. And of course you have those 2 AA batteries inside, which gives you a long amount of battery life, maybe even 2 years. Okay, next up, we have the Blink Mini 2K. So again, 2K resolution. So this one is actually charged using a USB-C charger, but otherwise you're getting really compact form factor, getting that 2K resolution again. What that means is you can just pinch and zoom in. You can really just sort of enhance the image to see a lot more detail in there with that 2K resolution. But look, the one that I'm absolutely excited about, and this is some really cool technology, this is the Blink Arc. Comes in black as well, all of them do. But the Blink Arc really addresses one of the challenges when you have a large area with a wide sort of area that you want to see. Now you could have a camera that rotates, but that's a little tricky to do outside because you need to keep it weatherproofed and that type of thing. But what they've done is you can actually slide in 2 Blink 2K minis inside here, and then it gives you a full 180-degree field of view. I think each one does about 88 degrees on its own. But there's actual special software that stitches together that wide image. So it gives you a full, seamless, single video, which is 180 degrees. I think that the Blink Arc is just a really great, cost-effective solution for keeping an eye on all of those outside corners of your house. Okay, check this out. This is Amazon's new FireTV Stick 4K Select. So in Australia, this costs just 89 bucks. And what this does is it delivers 4K streaming TV to just about any TV. So you just plug it in via the HDMI port here on the back. Now it'll give you access to around 350,000 different types of movies, video, just loads of content. So it gives you all of the apps that you'd expect, like your sort of, obviously your Amazon Prime, you got your Netflix and all of those types of things. And really it's just super handy to use. It comes with a remote control as well. So you can actually use this to access Alexa sort of voice commands as well. So you can just talk to this and then it will instruct your TV and help you find the content that you're looking for. There are a couple new Kindles that I just saw. Now they don't arrive in Australia just yet, but there's a new Kindle Scribe. This is beautiful. This is super thin at just 5.4 millimeters. It weighs just 400 grams. And the idea is to make it as close to sort of a paper and pen experience than ever before. The pen itself actually is super responsive. It has just 12 milliseconds response time, so it just feels really immediate. And the whole experience really is like writing on paper. By the way, this is just a black and white model, but there is a ColorSoft version of this as well. Now, this has a new color rendering engine, and it's sort of designed to make colors that don't really just scream. They look more realistic than ever before. This is just gorgeous too, and it also has a new workspace area. And this workspace area is where you can collect together your books, your notes, your scribbles, your writing, everything into one really easy to manage space too. So I think these are great enhancements. Kindle really does look great with the Scribe and the ColorSoft version, and I cannot wait to see these in Australia soon. Well, there you have it. Here in New York, Amazon's latest announcements, new screens, security cameras, and speakers. Tell us what you think in the comments. Which ones do you like? Most of these will be arriving in Australia. I'm Val Quinn. Catch you in the next tech video.